Today is an overwhelming day. I was like too upset to draw something. I didn't want to draw anything, but I sat down, opened my sketchbooks, and yeah, this is where I'm gonna draw. And I took out all my tools. Today I thought to draw a color pencil, a portrait, or a drawing, or a painting. No, not a painting, color pencil art. So the thing is, I'm ready, but there was a huge problem. I don't know what to draw. I haven't even decided on anything. But after the deep thoughts and deep thinking moments, I thought to go with Ronaldo, I thought to draw him as an anime. I've seen many people draw Ronaldo, but I thought I'd give a shot as anime. The good news is I have never drawn any anime or cartoon characters. In anime style, I think I'm very poor in drawing animals. It's like wandering in the woods with a blindfold. It's a pretty hard thing. First of all, I have to sketch the face precisely. You don't know how many times I've been erasing this face because I have to take it. I can't draw something without the precision. Like Ronaldo is having some features, right? Like a sportsman's features. So I have to draw it. The jaw part, that is the hardest thing because I'm not even satisfied with the outcome at all. And when I was satisfied, it's a huge mess. Okay, so before coloring, I have to correct all my mistakes and then I set up for coloring part. So I'm gonna start with this peach color, pale color, and it took me a while. Deciding on skin tone is a hard part, and more than that, drawing eyes. Eyes, nose, mouth, those features are pretty hard because if I make any mistakes, I'm gonna draw someone else. So I think that I'm not making any mistakes because Ronaldo is one of my favorite football players, man, and he's kind of pretty cool guy. So I don't want to make a mess out of him. So I thought not. I thought to be careful, more than careful. So after finishing everything, all the features, it's time for the highlights. What do you think? Am I doing a decent job over here, or is it a mess? So let me know in the comments. So this is my journey. This is my how I spent my relaxing time with Ronaldo. Hope you like it. Bye.